Hello children. Unit 8 Buying Books 6th class Notes English Notes Part 2 Pre-reading activity. Form compound words choosing one from the first box and another from the second. One example has been given. Water bottle. Second one playground. Third one classroom. Textbook. Dustbin. Fifth one tube light. Sixth one shopkeeper. Seventh one bookshelf. Unit 8 Buying Books. First one. How did the man in the shop help them? Answer. The man in the shop suggested them or said them that which type of books kept in which place or shelf. He said them the books in first shelf are animals, the books in second shelf are about machines, the third shelf from here is filled with books about wars, and the shelf next to it has story books. Second question. Why did they sit on the floor with the books? Answer. They picked a few books and sat on the floor to read. There was silence in the shop. Third one. Which book did they buy? Answer. They buy a book with many stories and a book with many pictures. Fourth one. What did they do when they went home? Answer. When they went home, they sat on the bed and they read, and read. Rearrange the sentences in the correct order and write them in the space provided below. They bought the books. First one. Second one. Sushma and Ajay went to the bookshop. Third one. They went home and read the books. Fourth one. Sushma's uncle gave them some money. Fifth one. They could not decide which book to buy. Sixth one, the man in the shop helped them. Seventh one, they were confused when they saw so many books. Correct arrangements sentences are: first one, Sushma's uncle gave them some money. Second one, Sushma and Ajay went to the bookshop. Third one, they were confused when they saw so many books. Fourth one, they could not decide which book to buy. Fifth one, the man in the shop helped them. Sixth one, they bought the books. Seventh one, they went home and read the books. Main B, the books are of different types. You have to arrange them systematically. Label the rows from the list given below before you put them on the book's shelf. Cinderella. Cinderella is storybook. Elementary English grammar is reference book. Maths 6th standard. This is textbook. The week is the magazine. Dictionary is also the reference book. Main C. Write in the space provided below the list of books that you have at home and the school library. Stories, home and school, magazines, home and schools, textbooks, schools, games, home, reference books, school. Main D. Imagine you go to a bookshop, write down what you do there. First one, I shall meet the bookseller. Second one, I shall ask the bookseller to give me a book. Third one, the bookseller will show me books. Fourth one, I shall select a story book. Fifth one, I will pay money. Sixth one, I will thank bookseller. Main E. Fill in the boxes with letters using the clues given beside them. When you finish it, read the first column downwards and write the letters in the boxes given below. Name of my country is India. India. One who rides, rider. Rider, rider. A sharp-eyed bird is eagle. Eagle, eagle. A fruit which keeps the doctor away. Apple. 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 We dash water after food. We drink water after food. Drink. Drink. Teacher writes on the blackboard. Board. Board. Another word for sea is ocean. 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 Opposite of disorder is order. Order. We fly them in the sky. Kites. 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 We wear them on our feet. Shoes. 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 IRE. I read books. Read books. Books. Main F. Rashmi goes to her school library to take a book. Complete her conversations with the librarian using and or but in the blanks. Rashmi, ma'am, I want to borrow a book. Librarian, yes, would you like to have a storybook or a book of poems? Rashmi, I would like to have a storybook. Librarian, what kind of storybook? Animals and adventure stories? Rashmi, I like both, but now I would like to read the Panchatantra. Librarian, go to the fourth shelf. There you have both the Panchatantra and Aesop's fables.